Love in relationship. Pinag-usapan natin ang relationship, di ba? So ngayon, sa lahat ng relationship, meron bang love?
Wala.
Whether family, partner, or friends.
Masyadong malalim yung word na love. Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, love ko naman siya, pero hindi talaga. Masyado palang malalim ang meaning ng love mo.
Alam mo ba bakit lahat ng relationship sa mundo, or hindi lahat ng relationship sa mundo, whether family, friends, or partner, spouses, and so on, ay may love?
Hindi lahat ng tao nakakaramdam ng real love.
Alam mo bakit? Simple. Because they try to find it. Hinahanap nila yun. Which is so
Hinahanap
wrong.
nila, nagmamadali silang maghanap ng love.
No.
So,
Hindi
kung
mo
sino-sinong tao.
hinahanap yung love.
Especially, pag hindi nila naramdaman yun sa family, yung talagang real na love, maghahanap pa sa ibang tao. Kung hindi mo maramdaman sa family mo o sa ibang tao, bakit hindi mo hanapin dun sa number one na ibibigay niya sa'yo yun?
Which is sino?
Sa God.
Exactly. Because God is love. You don't find love. You create love. Because love is a mindset. Not simply a feeling and an emotion. It's a mindset. Pwede ko sabihin, I love you, mahal ba kita? Mas important pa yung friends ko kaysa sa'yo. Mahal kita? Mali. Diba? Love is a mindset. It's a choice. It's a commitment. A promise to the Lord. And the Lord is the only one who can show you, make you feel what real love really is. The mere fact na buhay pa ako sa mundong to, I'm fine. God loves me. Kahit gaano pa kahirap pinagdadaanan ng lahat ng tao sa mundo, buhay ka eh. God loves you. God is giving you a chance to fulfill your purpose. That's all there is to it. We are living for Him, not for anyone else. If you do not love building your relationship with the Lord, if you do not love building your sacred journey, your sacred commitment, and your sacred promise, then there is no point and value in your life. Because that is the three things that the Lord has given us as a gift. Your sacred journey, the sacred commitment, and the sacred promise. Journey is yourself proving your relationship with the Lord, your faith with the Lord. Commitment is the time that the Lord is showing you the end or the destination you are leading to, which is the sacred promises that the Lord has given you. If you do not love building a relationship with the Lord, you will not love building a relationship with your parents, your families, your siblings, your partner, or your friends. You need to learn how to love the Lord.
Kasi sa kanya mo lang mararamdaman ng real love.
Yes, siya lang makakapagpapigay nun, and once lang yun binibigay sa lahat ng tao sa balat ng lupa. Once. Because real love is given by purity of the heart and the mind. Kaya nga pag pinagsama mo ang mind and heart, what do you get? Body and soul. So basically, the man is the mind, the woman is the heart. Together, they are given the body. And they have the complete soul to build the spiritual connection of the word relationship with the Lord.
That's the best relationship.
You cannot have relationship without the word love in your system unless yung isa yung hinahanap mo. Lust. Iba na yun. Wala yun sa system ni Lord. Even in the Bible, masama yun.
Love is greater than lust.
Exactly. Nothing is more powerful than love. Love is the greatest gift that the Lord has given us. Because the definition of love is God Himself. The basic, fundamental, and real definition of relationship is sacred journey. Marriage is sacred commitment. And family is sacred promise. So, communication, understanding, and last but not the least, the most important thing in the existence of relationships is God. Faith. Him. That is relationship. So para sa'yo, masasabi mo ba yung relationship na meron ka ngayon is real relationship created by God? Or no?
Yes.
Bakit?
Kasi naramdaman ko yun pinaramdaman nga sa akin ni God yun, di ba? And anong ginagawa natin ngayon, yung purpose natin, yung lifestyle, yung relationship, yung sinishare natin, yung wisdom ni God, lahat nakaplan. Sinurrender ko naman lahat sa Kanya. Alam ko na may taong para sa akin. Alam ko na yun. Kahit naghintay ako na for 28 years of my life. Basta mararamdaman mo yun. Na God's gift talaga ng relationship. Connection ko, heart ko eh. Hindi nayaan ni God masira to eh.
Ako yung mind ko.
My heart is my power.
Yes.
So, kaya maganda yung relationship ko kay God. And maganda yung relationship ko sa'yo, sa partner. So,
the purpose of our relationship is to bring back the real sacred definition of life, love, relationship, marriage, and of course, the most important thing, the will of the Lord.